The sticker is how I feel before coffee, and apparently the internet agrees. AI made these sticker designs less than 30 seconds. And I used a free version of ChatGPT to create the perfect prompt. And if you can use Google, you can use AI. AI is not a robot. It's a creative assistant that listens very well. You tell it what you want, gives you ideas, you choose. I told ChatGPT that I wanted a sticker design, and I asked for 10 ideas. We'll be testing one of those ideas today. I typed in, give me 10 simple sticker ideas that are cute, funny, and popular, and keep it bold and simple. Here's a list of those 10 ideas that have popped out. We're going to be using idea number 1, the grumpy cat, because who doesn't love a grumpy cat? Give me a prompt and stick to the design rules, because I wanted a sticker that would sell. Grumpy cats are popular, and give a little attitude, they sell every time. So once you give ChatGPT clear, concise directions on what you want for your sticker, it will pop out the perfect prompt for you. And this is what it came out with. It abided by all the rules that I was given to it. This prompt was put into 4 different AI image generators, and I got 4 very different results. First one was ChatGPT. It followed the first rule pretty well, along with Gemini from Google, Canva Pro, and Midjourney. Midjourney didn't follow all the rules. It stuck to the thick outlines in all of them. And for rules 3 through 6, it abided by all the rules also. Now it comes down to your creative preference. Which one do you like? Yeah, I kind of like ChatGPT. Maybe not. Gemini. No, I wouldn't buy that one. It's got that weird chin thing going on. Canva Pro, yeah, I kind of like that one, yes. And Midjourney, yes, didn't follow all the rules, but I did like this image. So out of these 4, I decided to choose 2, the Canva Pro and the Midjourney. You can print them right onto sticker paper right now and cut them out by hand, or you can refine them a little bit more, either in like Adobe Photoshop, Canva, Photopea, plenty of programs out there. Remove the background, touch up a little bit, change colors. I decided to go with Canva Pro, and I removed the background on both of these designs. And next thing to do is send it over to my electronic cutter. I use the Cricut Maker, and we're gonna make some stickers. This was made easy by using AI to help you generate some images. That's not like anything else. The final results coming out off the printing press and the cutter. Aren't these cute? So easy, less than 10 minutes from creation of the prompt through off the cutter. And these are good enough to sell and market. And tell me what you think. Leave me a comment below. See if this is something that you could do on your own, or show me some pictures. I would love to hear from you guys. Hit that like button, and see you on the next one.